Okay, hey guys, it's Abgo, or whatever you guys want to call me. I'm back. I did vlogging today, Saturday and Friday, and I did some vlogging, and they may not be much, but at least something. I wanted to do more, but it was awkward in front of all these people vlogging and stuff. So I did stuff, and it was a pretty amazing weekend, and I had so much fun. But I'm gonna tell you what God did in my life in another video. Stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys did, be sure to like it and continue watching, because I have a video of what I did and stuff like that, and you can see the pictures at the end. Yeah, some of the pictures I took. And yeah. Yeah, so doing. We're on this thingy. Yeah, we're going up it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog it, but I don't know. That's that. We'll be going down there.
Because I know every balance. The two person. We just had this conversation.
Paper bag.
Heard it really quick. This is life or death, guys. I don't know. Like, Tay Tay's gonna win.
Yeah.
I got faith.